the SnapPlate license plate mount for Tesla Model 3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a quick release license plate mount for the Tesla Model 3. This product is by Living Tesla. If you live in a state where a front license plate is required, this is a good solution and it's easy to install. I'll go over what you get in the packaging and how to install it. The link is included in the description box below for the product. And if you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the license plate mount, instructions, a Torx security screwdriver, stainless and black screws, and a felt zippered case. The mount has a simple design and it's made of PETG plastic. It's light and it feels solid. You have the 4 mounting points on the front of the plate, and on the back you have the latches that will lock into place by using the grill on the bottom. On the front you can press to lock and unlock the latches so it can be removed. Mounting is just a matter of sliding it in on the bottom portion of the bumper where the grill is. This won't interfere with the radar, block airflow, or damage the paint. Here I have mounted a plate for demonstration purposes. Just use the 4 security screws that were supplied. You can see the front latches turn when pressing the front button from locking to unlocking. All you need to do is center the mount on the bottom of the grill and just slide it into place. Once it's centered, press the center cap to lock it into place. The mount is firm and it stays into place. There's adequate spacing and nothing touches the bumper. You also have the option of using a security screw on the side to prevent the front cap from being pressed in. And removing it is just a matter of pressing in and sliding it out. This is a very functional mount and it's easy to install. It can save you from getting tickets depending on the state you live in, which requires them. I like the fact that it's easy to remove and makes cleaning the bumper a lot easier. It is also not recommended to have it installed while taking it into car washes. I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a front mount solution that doesn't require any drilling or adhesives. So that is my review of the SnapPlate by Living Tesla. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.